All right, so the project begins. We're taking the entire exhaust off tonight. Maybe we'll start with the headers going on tonight. But yeah, keep you updated. Okay, here we're gonna get a quick sound clip of the stock exhaust. It's insanely impressive, I promise. Like I said, it's absolutely amazing. So now it's time for putting the car up.
421 header here.
421 header, unequal length.
True unequal length, 421 header. Kind of sexy.
Kind of sexy.
Look at that, nice and shiny for now.
Exactly.
This one's
Next up on the market,
equally as pretty.
high flow cat.
High flow cat.
It's a nice chunk of precious metals right there.
Yeah.
This is 3 inches right here. This is what the whole mid pipe assembly is. So yeah,
Then we go to the mid pipe resonator.
package. So excited for this. Oof, oh my gosh.
Our flange at the back isn't going to line up, but that'll be a minor modification. We'll get to that later.
We can do it ourselves. It's a do-it-yourself channel now.
Yeah.
We might have to keep that on.
It looks so good, I don't even want to touch it.
Oh my
Okay, you ready?
gosh. I'm so ready for this.
Look at that.
Look at that. SRS.
That thing is huge.
That is ginormous. And you can see there's a giant silencer in it, because usually it would just come right out.
You might actually have to keep that on.
Yeah, for,
I'm just saying.
yeah.
Okay, we gotta keep that looking pretty.
Yeah, definitely. Conceal it for now. Okay, so I'm going to put the links to all the parts, so if you happen to be watching this to know how to do it yourself, you can, and we're going to take you through the process of how we did it, and so you know exactly what you need to do, what to buy, because there's nothing more frustrating than how much time I had to research, like, what to get, how to do it, and there was never, like, super clear answers, so except for the headers. There was one guy whose video I watched, and he linked the headers and showed how they work, so that guy's a bro. But yeah, we're gonna take you through step by step.
Here she is. Alright, well, let's unbolt it.
So this is going bye-bye. Here comes the whole thing. Oh, there it is. The muffler's just chilling.
Yeah. Alright.
Holy crap. You don't realize how big this thing is until it's unhooked. Work smarter, not harder.
Gonna make it through the jack stick.
Holy crap. Holy shoot. There it is. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Okay, so the headers, so the pipe to each cylinder, they're about a half an inch, like, too small apart, so we're gonna hopefully bend it and extend it about another half an inch so then they can each bolt up. It took a little bit of American persuasion, but we're not afraid of that in the Wilson household. Just like that.
Big old pry bar does the trick every time.
Exactly. We're gonna pretend that that's all it was, but
Yeah. I'm gonna go with that.
Just say there's a little bit of prying to do. Okay, so we're back with day 2, and today right now we are wrapping the cat with this exhaust wrap, and then we're gonna wrap the headers because we don't want it melting my power steering and starting my car on fire, because from what I heard, that's not like a good thing, so, yep.
Okay. Got that one. Are you ready? This is what you want to see.
Moment of truth.
Look at that.
We're gonna obviously take the silencer out, of course.
We'll leave that on for protection for now, but nice factory exit location.
It fits perfect. Wow. Job well done, but it's not done.
Not done.
Yeah, we just mounted this up to see. So, yeah, mid-pipe time.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Well, first part.
Well,
First, welding part 1 is done. So now we're going to, we need to get a reference on here. We're going to allow for a gasket too. Okay, I want to snug this up. And I'll hold this in place and give ourselves some pencil marks. That's all I need to see.
perfect.
We'll take it down, we'll tack that up and weld it.
Awesome. And then we have to do some O2 sensor work, but we're not scared of a little O2 sensor work.
We're gonna extend our wires for the O2 sensors.
Yeah, that's the other issue is so this acts as the first cat and the O2 sensors go in there. Well,
You need to be out there.
they're about like right here is where they plug in each O2 sensor. And the cords are way up there and they are definitely not gonna reach. So we're gonna make it reach.
So I got those off already.
So that's where the O2 sensors
Yeah, so here's
plug
the
in.
factory location for the O2 sensors. They come up the front because they were at the front cat, which is directly below this. So now our cat's back here. So we're gonna unbolt this and flop those wires to the back side. Should get So now we'll just go underneath and make sure we're secure and we're good.
All right.
But meanwhile, I'll attach this again.
Okay, so as I said, we're about to put the mid pipe on. So now, once we get it on, we're gonna do a cold start, maybe revs with the silencer on, and then we're gonna take the silencer out and see how that sounds. Maybe I have to keep it. Maybe I don't. We'll see if the dad lets me. All right, with everything back together, I think it's time to drop it down and see if this whole project was worth it.
You ready for this?
I'm so ready.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my god! Holy crap! That's what the silencer in. amazing. This is with the silencer on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Of course, we'll have to see what it's like without it.
and that's how it's gonna run its whole life. I promise. Never putting that silencer back in it. So, listen to that unequal length rumble. I have a rally car.
That's that rally car sound.
I have a rally car.
Okay, let's take the silencer out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Silencer is coming out.
Yeah?
Guess what we're taking to the Jibway Forest Rally tomorrow.
Yeah, honestly. We'll have to go buy some mud flaps maybe. It's gonna look way better with that silencer out right now. My heart is beating so fast.
Okay.
Oh, that looks so good.
Wow, that is big.
My heart is like beating after like hearing that. I'm so excited to hear this without the silencer. Oh. Holy jump. Here, get go. You gotta give her